In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can change your Shopify store name. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and let me do that right now. So as you can see, guys, to change your store name, all you have to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to select the first option, store details. Now after you are on this page, what you need to do, guys, next, as you can see, you can also change the currency if you want that. So let me just change it to dollars. Okay, so to change store name, guys, in the top, as you can see in the top, after you click on store details, you can see here the store name, store email, phone. So to change the store name, you want to click on edit, and then you can change the store name, test for YouTube, for example. Click on save. So that's exactly how you can change the store name, and this store name will appear whenever someone visits your own Shopify store. So hopefully this video helps you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you watch the video in the screen to learn more about Shopify. Okay, so watch the video in the screen. See you guys next video.